This literature kit on Hatchet by Gary Paulson helps students think deeper about the novel and offer a great jumping-off point for class discussion. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Demonstrate prior knowledge of the story's setting, including animals and terrain Brian may come across. Students imagine being Brian and come up with their own survival plan. Describe Brian's appearance as he saw himself in the lake. Answer true or false questions about the turtle and its eggs that Brian encountered. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as drawing in great detail Brian's shelter as he describes it throughout the book. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a chart detailing the events Brian survives, what his reactions were, and what he learned from them. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.